Hi everyone. So previous class we have discussed about electric field intensity due to infinite sheet of the charge and also discussed about electric field intensity due to charged circular disk. In this video we are going to discuss about electric field intensity due to infinite sheet of the charge examples. So now coming to the example directly. The example is two infinite plane sheets or conductors are separated by the distance d meters. The first has a charge plus sigma or plus rho s per unit area. The second has a charge minus sigma or minus rho s per unit area. Find the electric field intensity at any point between them. Between them. Coming to the solution. So from the given data, there are two conducting sheets. There are two conduction sheet. This is the conducting sheet 1. So this conducting sheet charge density is plus sigma or plus rho s coulombs per meter square. And this is the second conducting sheet. This second conducting sheet charge density is minus sigma or minus rho s coulombs per meter square. These two conducting sheets are separated by the distance small d meters. Calculate the electric field intensity between two conducting sheets. Calculate the electric field intensity capital E bar between two conducting sheets. So this is the conducting sheet 1. This conducting sheet charge density is plus sigma coulombs per meter square and the direction, and this is the second conducting sheet. This conducting sheet charge density is minus sigma coulombs per meter square and these two conducting sheets are separated by d meters. Calculate the electric field intensity at point P. That point P is considered between two conducting sheets. So this conducting sheet carries positive charge density. Because of that, the direction of the electric field intensity is from positive conducting sheet to the point P. And this conducting sheet carries negative charge density. Because of that, the direction of the electric field intensity is from point P to the negative conducting sheet. That is the direction of the electric field intensity from positive conducting sheet and negative conducting sheet. In previous classes, we already calculated electric field intensity due to infinite sheet of the charge. What is that expression? Electric field intensity due to infinite sheet of the charge. E bar is equal rho s by 2 epsilon naught ay bar. Ay bar is the unit vector in the direction normal to the sheets. Now here conducting sheet 1. And this is first conducting sheet, and this conducting sheet is considered as a infinite sheet of the charge, and this is the point P. At this point P calculate the electric field intensity at point P. What is the electric field intensity due to infinite sheet of this conducting sheet? E1 bar is equal E1 bar is equal E1 bar is equal rho s by 2 epsilon naught into an bar, where an bar is the unit vector in the direction normal to the conducting sheet, and this is the second conducting sheet. And this conducting sheet charge density is minus rho s or minus sigma coulombs per meter, and This point P is downward to this conducting sheet. Because of that, the unit vector is downward direction. So that is opposite direction. So therefore, the electric field intensity at point P due to this negative conducting sheet is E2 bar is equal minus rho s by 2 epsilon naught into minus an bar minus an bar. Therefore, the total electric field intensity at point P, the total electric field intensity at point P is E1 bar plus E2 bar. What is E1 bar? Rho s by 2 epsilon naught an bar. And what is E2 bar? Minus rho s by 2 epsilon naught minus an bar. So the total electric field intensity at point P is rho s by epsilon naught an bar. So the electric field intensity is independent of the position of the point B between the two sheets of the charge.